Welcome to the Windows Club. If the Windows Defender offline scan is not working on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, uninstall any third-party software from your system which could be causing interference, and this can be checked using a clean boot. After this, you can launch your system in the admin permission state. This has been explained over a separate article and video. The third and most prominent solution will be to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, you would have to type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. The next solution would be to restore the system to an earlier restore point, also known as system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and click on recovery to open the recovery panel window. Now click on open system restore. It will need a few seconds. Select a good restore point, click on next, and then once everything is done, click on finish. This will initiate the system restore process. If everything else fails, then you can consider resetting the PC. I will show how this is done. Right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings window, go to the system tab, scroll down to the recovery section, and after this you'll find this option to reset the PC. Once you click on it, the reset process will begin. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.